Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I am super excited because I am going to review a line of product that I really like. It's Sun Bum. Sun Bum is a sunblock protection company, and they started to do hair product. Last summer I actually did a video. I will link the video right here where I talk about this their first hairline of product, which was for all hair type. And to be honest, I really liked their hair product last summer. It's actually mostly what I was using all summer long, mostly because of the sun protection effect that the products have, but also the 4-in-1 leave-in spray was so good to my hair throughout the summer that I just abused it. And then one of my subscriber, Adriana Rose, if you are watching this video, big shout out to your girlfriend. She DM'd me about 2 months ago, and she was like, hey, have you heard about the Sun Bum Curly Wavy line of product? I was like, wait, what? Huh? How? And apparently Sun Bum came out with a new line of products that are targeting wavy to curly hair, and I finally got my hands on their line. It took me a while to find them. I was that close to order them on Amazon, but about 3 weeks ago I was in, was it Rite Aid or Duane Reade or something like that, and I saw the products on the shelf. So I took everything I could. And it was funny because I found the shampoo, I found the styling cream, I found the detangler, but I could not put my hand on the conditioner. So I had to order the conditioner on Amazon, which reminds me that if you guys are interested in getting those products online right now, or right as soon as you're done watching with my video, feel free to check my Amazon store. It's linked in the description box. It's linked in the description box of every video that I make. And every time I'm talking about a product that I really like, I link it in my Amazon store. So if you want to support your girl and, you know, help out a little bit, yeah, try to order something through there. I'll be super happy. Thank you so much. All right, back to the video. I've been using their n'importe quoi. I've been using their wavy line of product on and off for the past 3 weeks now, and I am so ready to do a review for you guys. So let's start with the shampoo and conditioner. Right now my hair is washed and conditioned with their product. I'm going to show you the bottle, but first let me tell you what it says. It says moisturizing and curl defining shampoo and conditioner for curls and waves. It's nourishing daily sulfate-free conditioner enriched with kukui nut oil. I just found it funny to say kukui. Sorry, I have no clue what kukui is. Well, it's a nut, but I don't know. Anyways, monoi coconut oil. So I know monoi oil, I know coconut oil. I didn't know you could combine the two, but apparently. And then seaweed protein. It is for wavy to tight curls, and it is UV protectant, which I think is super awesome. I don't know any line of products for curly hair that protect my hair from the UV. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is vegan, color safe, sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, and UV protectant. Now my hair right now is, like I said, washed and conditioned with their product, and I am ready to style it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I style it. To style my hair, I'm gonna use their detangler, which has pretty much the same ingredient as the shampoo and conditioner, so I am not going to repeat the whole thing. And that's what the bottle looks like. It's a spray bottle, and it is liquid, very, very watery. And then I am going to put the styling cream, which is more of a cream, on the length of my hair. So I learned the hard way. First time I used it all over my hair, and it's way too heavy for my fine wavy to curly hair. If you have thicker hair, drier hair, you might want to be using a little bit more, but keep in mind it is a cream, so it will weight your hair down. You really have to use a little itsy bitsy tiny bit. And then finally, before I diffuse my hair, I will put the spray, the protector, heat protector spray that I grabbed at Dwenry 2. I've been using this every time I diffuse my hair for the past 2 weeks, and I think that it's doing a good job of protecting my hair from the heat, although I do not use a lot of heat when I diffuse my hair, but you know. Oh, and of course my flaxseed hair gel is gonna lock everything in. I will put it before I put that on. All right, you guys, with no further ado, I am going to diffuse my hair. I'm gonna fast forward through the whole process so we don't stay here all day. And then I will see you once I am done diffusing to show you the final result. And voila, I'll see you in a second. All right. Let me see what we have here. Ah bah écoute, c'est pas mal, hein? Ta-da! This goes on this side, this one on that side. I guess I have a middle part. What else? All right, you guys, well, this is it. This is the end result. I'm loving it. I got volume, I got moisture, I get UV protection. My hair is not weighted down. It doesn't feel, when I put my hands in my hair, it doesn't feel like I have too much product. I'm loving it, and I'm loving it because I think I found the right balance on how to use the products. All right, so let me see how I can go about this. If I was to compare, where's the shampoo? If I was to compare the curly the curls and wave line to the all hair type line, if I was to compare those two line, the shampoo and conditioner, I definitely like the shampoo and conditioner much better than I did like this one. I got this from last summer, right? I think I did my review in June, or it was before I left for France, I think. And I still have some shampoo and some conditioner in there. So that tells you how much I've been using it. But this one, the conditioner is almost empty. Okay. The shampoo has a little bit more, but the conditioner is way lighter than the shampoo, and I feel like I'm almost done with the conditioner. So I really really like these products, this shampoo and conditioner, way more. It's more hydrating, more gentle to the hair. When it comes to the styling product, I think that the detangler used as a leave-in conditioner is more than enough for my fine wavy to curly hair. It does a good job. Now for the parts of my hair that needs a little bit more TLC because they're drier, because the curl doesn't want to curl that much, that's where I'll use a pea size of the styling cream. Again, I'm talking to the girl that has fine wavy to curly hair, whose hair gets weighted down easily by too much product. Now a girl who has a more drier, more kinkier hair, a more tighter curl, a curl that will absorb and want the moisture, this is gonna work for you too. My daughter, for example, I'm sure this product is gonna work wonders on her hair. The other thing that to me is like awesome is the UV protection. I don't know any other curly hair product that is UV protectant, and if you do, feel free to let me know in the comments below what line that is, and if it's as clean as this line. By clean I mean no paraben, no sulfate, no phthalates, no, no, nothing bad. The last product is the heat protector. I've been using it every day for the past 2 weeks now. Just before I diffuse my hair, I just spray it all over. It is really nice. It's not gonna weight your hair down. It is super lightweight, smells great, and it does a good job at protecting my ends from the heat. Now I do diffuse my hair on low heat, but this hair dryer is old, you guys. It's like at least 8 years old, at least. And I feel like the low heat is getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So I may have to buy a new one soon, which I don't want to, but I rather protect my hair. Anyway, all that to say that this is really good and it's a lifesaver because I don't want to fry my hair for no reason. Et ben voilà, that's that. I think this is it. I think I told you guys everything. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm not sure I did a close-up, so let me do a little close-up right now of my hair, of my curls. Let me show you the back. Voila. Whew. Voila, you guys. Bon, I'm really happy because for the past week I've been playing around with my hair, trying to keep that volume. I mean, you guys probably saw my last video where I was like, I'm gonna use less leave-in conditioner, which I did for the whole week, and then last night my hair was so dry that it got me so frustrated. So yes, I did have a little bit more volume, but my hair was like desperate for some hydration. So I'm very happy that I give them a little bit of moisture. Still not as much as I used to, but I can tell that they are loving this. I think I'm done with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you tried the product, how did it work for you? How did you use it? Share with us so we can all learn from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you are interested in purchasing those products, I will put it in my Amazon store, which is a link in the description box below. And ben voilà, that's that. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.